Now, one of the things that I've observed for a number of periods is a certain kind of statement, attitude, and behavior going on in this part of the world, especially in Ghana. You wake up and then you see a Facebook post, social media, something on social media, an interview granted, and you see so called successful people, and I don't mean to disrespect anybody's hustle. It's hard. They've achieved something significant for themselves. That is great. And the children of so-called successful people, again, I respect them very well, spewing out things and saying that the youth in Ghana, the youth in this country, are lazy. They don't like to work. They don't work hard. What gives you that idea at the end of the day? Have you gone to Cantonmento? Have you gone to Circle? Have you gone to Kumasi Edum? Have you gone to Takrady? Have you gone to Kaneshi Market? Have you gone to these places? Do you see someone who is 100 years old there? Majority of the people there are people in their youthful age. The youth in Ghana work hard. Nobody is lazy. Nobody sleeps. Every youth, majority, 98% of the youth in Ghana like to work. You know why? Because we like the best things in life. We want to have the most luxurious phones. We want to have the most luxurious cars. We want to live a better life. And most importantly, we want to take care of our mothers. We want to take care of our wife. We want to take care of our children. The youth in Ghana like to work, and we work hard. So don't sit there and think because of the privilege that you have, everybody else is lazy. Because you are successful, everybody else is not working hard. Because you are somewhere that you think you are, everybody else is not putting in the work. We work hard. We stretch. We go the extra mile, and we put in our best as much as we can to be who we are. Why am I saying this? Because you don't see this kind of attitude in Europe and America. The children of the wealthy, the rich, successful people outside in Europe, America, part of Asia, you know what they do? They set up a foundation, have a mentorship program, pay people to empower youth, carry people under their wings, and mentor them. The youth in Ghana lack mentorship. It's not that they don't like to work hard. It's not that they are lazy. It's not that they sleep too much. It's not that they don't want to put in the work. It is lack of mentorship. So if you think you are successful, if you think you are wealthy, if you think you've built anything significant, and you want to make the youth and make use of the youth, carry 10 youth under your wings. Mentor them. Show them the way you used. Show them the path. If you can show people the path, they will become successful. If you can show people the way, they will become successful. Life is not all about hard work. Life is not all about, yes, you have the grace of God. Life is not all about, I pray and fast. Life is not about, I sow seed. Life is not all about, oh, I don't sleep. I work. One of the key cardinal things in life is mentorship. It's coaching. Someone who can show you the path that you have to be on in order for you to become successful. So let me pass this message out. The youth in Ghana, we are not lazy. The youth in Ghana, we work hard. The youth in Ghana, we don't like sleep because we want the best of things in life. The problem of the youth is lack of mentorship, lack of coaching, lack of people to show us the way, the path, and what we have to do to become successful. So if you think you have any value to add, show people the way. Show them what you did. Exactly what you did. The blueprint. If you are willing to share the blueprint, people will follow it. and they will become successful in their respective field. So instead of sitting down, writing social media posts, granting interviews, and trying to talk down on the Ghanaian youth as if we don't think, as if we don't have goals, as if we don't have objectives, as if we don't work hard, as if when we get up, all we do is to watch TV or whatever the heck, instead of you sitting down spewing those things out, give us the blueprint. Take 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, put them in a room and tell them, this is what I did from zero to where I am. Take it and also become successful. Do that and see whether the youth of this country, whether the youth in Ghana are lazy or not, because we like to work hard.